Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rolls without eggs. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, warm water, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. We'll also use a small amount of oil or vegan butter for richness. This approach ensures your rolls are wonderfully soft and flavorful, perfect for any meal, and suitable for everyone at your table. When making rolls without eggs, the right substitutes are crucial. A flax egg made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water works wonders for binding. Alternatively, 1/4 cup of mashed ripe banana or applesauce can add moisture and a delicate sweetness. For a richer texture, consider using about 1/4 cup of blended silken tofu. These simple swaps ensure your rolls maintain their desired structure and delicious taste. The mixing and kneading process is vital for perfect egg-free rolls. Begin by combining your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the wet components until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving your rolls their characteristic chewiness and structure. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic and can be stretched thin enough to see light through it without tearing. After kneading, proofing is the next critical step. Let your dough rise in a warm spot for 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Then, gently shape it into uniform rolls to ensure even baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. A quick tap on the bottom should produce a hollow sound, indicating they are perfectly baked and ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.